Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by capturing clean audio. Use a quiet room, USB mic, and 16-bit WAV at 44. 1K HC. Record 30 to 60 minutes of varied sentences so models learn tone and cadence. Once recorded, trim silence, normalize levels, and export mono files. Make sure to name files consistently and keep a transcription for each clip. That alignment is critical for training. These initial steps set the foundation. Skip poor audio and the rest will struggle to sound natural. Now you prepare data for training. Convert transcripts to phonemes or graphemes and generate MEL spectrograms. Select a model, Tachytron 2 for natural prosody or fast speech for speed, and set batch size, learning rate, and warm-up. Use a GPU, monitor loss and validation audio every few epochs, and save checkpoints. Once the vocoder wave glow, high FIGAN is synced, fine-tune the vocoder on your voice for timbre. These middle steps shape timing and quality, so iterate until resynthesis matches the recording. Finally, run inference. Feed text through the trained synthesizer to produce MEL spectrograms, then decode with your vocoder to get audio. Tweak pitch, duration, and energy controls to match your natural speaking style. Deploy behind a lightweight API for real-time use and profile CPU/GPU usage. If you hear robotic artifacts or mismatch, try lower learning rates, more training data, or better alignment. Also check input normalization and retrain the vocoder. This last stage gets you from model to usable, natural-sounding voice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.